The next 3D mesh I want to talk about, and I think it's the last one of the basic meshes, is the torus. Let me add a torus here. And let's talk about the particular parameters that you have here. In the case that you don't know one parameter or you are not sure about it, you can of course see these details. But beyond that, I like to play with the values and say, let's say I don't know what is the major radius. Then I increase the major radius by, 100%. And then you can see the major radius. What does that mean? Now, let's say I want to reduce or increase as well the minor radius. Let's say instead of 25, I want to put it in 50. Now you can, as soon as you change the values, you can start understanding what does that mean for the particular torus that you are creating. So this object is, a torus is created basically with a circle, and this circle is turned 360 degrees to create this object. Playing with the values of the most external radius and the internal radius will help you create what is going to be the torus that you need. The other thing is, let's say I want to reduce this to 10. In fact, let me move it. No, not 10, maybe 20. Yeah, perfect. So let's say you want to reduce this to 20. Now, the other parameter are the major slices and the minor slices. And this is interesting because having the possibility of differentiate between these two will allow you to define, minor slices, sorry, I increased too much, will allows you to have a more refined geometry of this object. Let's accept this one, for example, and let's create a new one based on the previous one. As you know, the previous one is already selected, and let's put this to the original values. You can see that the level of details of this object is totally different to the level of details of this object. Of course, both of them, if you see the details, inspect the details for every one of them, you will check that this has more geometry than, let's put this one here and inspect that this one. Again, it's depending of what you want to do with the object. Let's say that it is a hanging lamp that is far away from the character, or the character is not going to interact with that. Well, maybe you don't need so many details. And this is something that you will learn how to play based on the contour of the entire scene or the entire video game.